Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. If you like cleaning videos like this, subscribe to my channel and tap the little bell so every time I upload you will be notified. For today's video, I am just speed cleaning through a few areas of my home and definitely deep cleaning in my boys' room. It got really bad because I did neglect it for a while and this is the result. And for my restroom, I am just kind of wiping down surfaces, making sure it's not too dirty. I am getting new floors put in this day that I filmed, and they look so good, you guys. I cannot wait to show you what they look like. So in my son's room, you guys, if you watch my videos and you notice that my son's bed is always made before I start cleaning, it's because every morning that is one of his chores, make his bed before he leaves for school. And let me tell you, you guys, my son is so clever, so his bed is always made and he sleeps on top of that sheet, the main sheet of his bed. And the blankets that I typically fold in the beginning of the cleaning of his room are the blankets that he uses to put on himself. So my son outsmarted me. That's like one less chore that he has to do. So if you guys have any clever kids, please let me know down in the comments. That's just, I think it's so funny to me and I just thought I'd share that with you guys.